off on him. Them boys wasn't playing.
Polo World back again with another exclusive.
Okay. On a pursuit. Oh, they on foot. Geechi was like, yo, I'm up out of here. I don't blame him.
Get down on the ground right now! Get down on the ground!
Did he reach?
I want you. Get your hands in the air. Do not reach
up,
for
bro.
anything. You hear me?
Damn, Geechi.
Get down on your face. Put your hands behind your back. Put both of your hands behind your back. Hands up, hands up high. Hands up high. Turn all the way around. Turn all the way around. Turn around. Turn around. We're gonna be good if you listen
You
to
say
us.
yo
Walk
good.
backwards towards me. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
I'm not laughing at this
towards
issue.
me.
I'm laughing at
Keep
him.
coming, keep coming.
He a fool.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Get down on your knees. Put your hands over your head.
Man,
Put your hands behind your head. Interlock your fingers.
you about to go to jail cold too. You ain't got no jacket on or nothing either.
Get down on the ground right now! Get down on the ground! I want you. Get your hands in the air. Do
They was not
reach
playing
for
with you,
anything.
man.
You
They were
hear me?
not playing with him at all.
Get
nowhere
down on
close
your
to it.
face.
Say get on your face in the snow.
Put your hands behind your back. Put both your hands behind your back.
Okay, so let's actually see what they actually were caught with, because from what they're saying, they were caught with a plethora of paraphernalia.
Traffic stop and a getaway that didn't quite get away, and thousands of opioid pills recovered.
So 4 men
Sheesh.
from California are now charged here in Butler County, and tonight newly released body camera video shows how quickly police caught up with them. Our WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson live in Westchester with a story you'll see only here on WLWT. Hi, Karen.
Well, good evening again, Cherie. Yes, among those arrested and now charged with drug possession, a California-based rapper known as Geechi Gotti. His real name is Marcus Fantroy, and police say he was driving down I-75 last week in Westchester when police made this stop.
The initial traffic stop on I-75 in Westchester was short-lived. The suspects weren't getting far.
It did hit sticks. It did hit sticks.
One exit south near the streets of Westchester. 4 men bailed,
Get down on the ground right now! Get down on the ground!
but police caught up.
They pull them guns quick, man. They
Get
were
your
not
hands in the
playing.
air!
Westchester police arrested 4 men from California
Why are you arresting me? Because your name's Anthony Ellis and you've been breaking into pharmacies all over the place.
and searched the rental car they were in.
We searched it thoroughly. There was a large amount of pharmaceuticals in the car that looked like they came just straight from the pharmacy.
Nearly 3,000 pain pills seized, including oxycodone, morphine, and Vicodin. Drugs that investigators say were stolen.
The drugs that were found were from a pharmacy called the Medicine Shop in Bellevue, Ohio. We believe that cash was found as well that was taken from a pharmacy in Perrysburg, Ohio.
Detectives say they had their eyes on the men since one of them landed at CVG last week. Tyrus Crew, Anthony Ellison, Laquan Miller, and Marcus Fantroy, also known as rapper Geechi Gotti, all now face drug possession charges.
We're looking at over $10,000 to $15,000 worth of pharmaceutical drugs, at least. That's what it is to the pharmacy. That's not what it's worth in the street. So we're talking lots and lots and lots of bills.
Detective Kevin Berger said in court today, these men, quote, do this quite often.
And tonight, WLWT Investigates is still digging into who these people are, if they are possibly facing charges elsewhere. Also, I should note, here in Butler County, Judge Courtney Caparella Kramer found there was enough evidence to bind this case over to a grand jury. Reporting live tonight in Westchester, Karen Johnson, WLWT News.
So it's definitely unfortunate, you know. Sometimes you gotta get what you gotta get. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. I watched the other battle rapper Goods talked about this whole situation earlier, and he was just saying that battle rap, they not making the same as they used to make anymore. You know what I'm saying? You know, it was one point where certain battle rappers could make 100 grand, And then you got other battle rappers that could do one battle and get 20 grand, and you do the math. You do a couple of those a year, and they would say like Geechi would probably do like 5 battles a year. So, that's 100 grand right there. But if you're not getting that anymore, you got to reduce your price from 20 grand to 7 grand, 8 grand, 6 grand, 5 grand. You know what I'm saying? It's not even gonna, now you got to take on more battles and, put more strain and all. It's just too much. It's gonna be too much. So he was getting to it, man. He trying to feed his family. Trust me, let me tell you something. The same thing I heard other people saying, the same thing is with me. Like, in so many days I be wanting to just get back to the streets, and you just like, yo, this ain't it. You know what I'm saying? So it's hard to stay out of it once it's some easy money you go make real quick, or it's of course it's gonna be a lot of risk. It's too many risks, more risk than just being in a 9-to-5, So yeah, man. Shout out to Geechi Gotti, man. Free him. Hopefully he get out of there soon, and somebody else may take the charge. Who knows? Maybe homeboy sitting there looking goofy, take the charge. I don't know. I'm sorry. Let me stop playing, y'all. It's your boy Urben Currse, man. Holla. Like, comment, subscribe. You dig?